Good morning, everyone. I'm going to switch to English because obviously the pitches from the startups from Korea, they are going to be in English. I'm from BAT team, the Accelerator Tower. So as you know, in those all the strategies that she has mentioned about attracting new startups and companies to Vizcaya, now since 2022 we have also the Accelerator Tower to have a place for like a home for them. So this is the second year that we make this program with Seoul. And now we will have 3 startups pitching from this program. In the first place, it's going to be Minjun Kim from Lanco, and I will let you with them. Yes, okay, Minjun.
Hello, nice to meet you all. And my name is Minjun Kim, CEO of Rancode. And at Rancode, we help enterprise adopt generative AI through our platform called CXP. Founded in 2020, we've raised a total of $7 million in Series A. And from the very beginning, we have made very successful collaboration outputs like startup Autobahn with Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Chanel, and many other worldwide customers and partners to push the journey of generative AI adoption. So let me introduce our product and some notable customer cases. So almost every enterprise and organization in worldwide are eager to adopt generative AI, but only the 10% of enterprises are in the production stage. Why? There is 2 huge blocking challenges. The first one is data fragmentation, which means that you have many data in variety of sources, in variety of formats, and aggregating all those data requires massive operation cost. To handle these problems, we've made our solution, Rancode CXP, Conversational Experience Platform. So we provide all the features to build your AI assistant in 3 minutes for personalized question answering and task automation, like writing monthly report or writing some data analysis, and so on. Let's see how it works by short video. So you can create AI chatbot with our UI with easy processes, just giving a name and some configurations. After that, you can upload any document and data, so PDF, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, any document is processed automatically. And then if you ask a question like this, our AI assistant will provide an answer and also the source of that knowledge to provide you double check the answer of AI. So this is very basic demo, but we have hundreds of use cases and successful customer stories. So our keyword is integration and automation. So integration means our AI platform is capable to connect the data and your workplace. And automation means that the improvement and optimization of AI is handled automatically. So we productized RAG and React, which is a very advanced prompt pipeline techniques. And with our composite AI engine, we provide not only the text-based answer, but also card, visualization, charts, and curation. And with all those optimization and advanced RAG technologies, our proposal is the democratization of generative AI, which means that whether you are a developer or not, you can create your own AI chatbot to do your job. Like if you're a developer, you can make your own project assistant bot. And if you're a marketer, you can make sales campaign analysis bot. And if you're a manager, you can connect our bot with Microsoft Teams or other collaboration platform to manage your queries and projects. As a global ready and scalable B2B SaaS, we offer flexible subscription models starting from 10,000 per month for enterprise one, and we offer more accessible subscription models for SMB and startups too. This is the part of our customers, paid customers, and we have Mercedes-Benz, Chanel, and manufacturers, and Korean Telecom, 7-Eleven, and Hana Ocean, which is largest shipbuilding companies. So we cover automotive, luxury, finance, manufacturer, even the public and telecom area. And that was not exhaustive list. We also have more customers for now, and also incoming POCs and pilot projects with worldwide customers. So we already proven with the European market's requirements, with the proven from Mercedes-Benz and Chanel. So we are first in Basque Country, but we also see that we can meet your requirements in these regional industries and enterprises. So Mercedes-Benz, we've automated DevOps question answering with our solution. And Chanel, we provided very security concerned client with very enterprise-grade security features. And with retail area, we've made some product recommendation bots. And with Changxin, which is an OEM of Nike, we provided the visualization of data with the manufacturer issues like this. So not just the text, but also the charts and visualization and the PowerPoint report. That is all capability. We cover all those types of answers in our assistant. And public area and shipbuildings incoming. So in short, we already have proven the scalability across multiple business units, and our happy customers are already saying that with CXP, adoption of generative AI is accelerated and is very fast and also convenient. Compared to other vendors, we are featuring the orchestration and AI-based optimization, so that if you are not, so that even the ordinary employees can make their own bot, and that makes very huge change. We are also here to obtain very tangible results in Europe. So we are staying in Europe here 5 weeks, and we want to make some POC or some opportunities for collaboration with our rapidly adoptable solutions. So with all these technologies and customer references, our revenue last year was $1 million USD, and for this year we are prospecting 6 million and more in the next year. So thank you for listening to my presentation, and we are Rancode, and we transform industry with our generative AI solution. Thank you.
Thank you, Minjung. So for the next startups coming, it's going to be Upside, a software company for the construction sector. So Young Wan will join us now.
Hello, everyone. My name is Young Wan from Upside. The Upside is the company that develop and provide the construction process management solution. Actually, we have a headquarters in Seoul, and last year we have the not branch, but actually the global office in Barcelona, but it expired last year. So we are seeking to expand the other global market right now. Our team members are composed of the 16 members, and nearly 80% are engineers, and we are focusing on to improve our technology right now. So actually, we established 3 years ago. Our solution was crack detection solution by drone. But when we manage and when implementing this kind of project, we thought that, if we use our technology in building side or the other architecture side, we can give more value of information to secure the assets of the people who lives in the building and of course the construction companies. So from 2 years ago, we released the construction process management solution, and then after that we expand the domestic and global market too. These are our team members, and of course I'm in charge in business sector. And last year, actually this kind of accident is not often occurred in the global. But actually last year in South Korea, the parking spaces was collapsed. Actually, the who charged that site, that was one of the biggest companies, construction company in Korea. But after that, they cannot give more specific solutions to the people who want to live there, and they cannot give the specific, specific issues why this happens. If these kind of accidents happen, actually, for the construction company side, they lose their money because when they construct, and then if this kind of accident happen, they collapse the building again, and they need to reconstruct it. It is kind of like 3 times more expensive than when they are initial steps. But moreover, when this kind of accident happen, they can lose their license. So their colleagues or their co-workers can lose their job. So actually, this kind of accident is not occurred often, but when it happens once a year or once in a 10 year, that is really crucial. Like they can give more crucial impact and issues to the country. And we in South Korea, we interview and we investigate the on-site manager why this kind of happen and what problems are now in the on-site. And they are saying that if they are also human and they are the human work, so when they take photo and even though they try to store, they archive their data, it is because that is all based on paperwork. So after the construction is finished and after that, the 5 years or 10 years, they cannot find the past data. So they cannot track the data, so they do not know what happens and what materials are applied and what procedures were applied in there. So our upside solution was like we changed our solution because we want to solve this kind of problem in Korea. And so our solution is applied in these initial steps when the construction begins. So we are thinking that if our solution helps construction, the company or the other city council at the initial step of the construction starts, maybe we can give more valuable process data so that we can maybe prevent accidents in the future. So what we are going to do is that we also take a photo using the mobile phone. Of course, we also do save and store the reports. And we are going to archive and store these our cloud server. So even though our license is expired, they can find our past data in the future. And of course, we use AI technology based on deep learning, so we can analyze and we can track the real materials, what procedures are applied and what materials are applied in this construction site. So it means that we can give more accurate information and we can give more trustworthy data to the construction company and of course the people who want to live in here. And actually when the construction starts, we dig the ground, and after that we deploy the steel framework. And after that we pour the cement or the other cement to make some whole framework of the building. So in this case, so the steel framework is very important, but I'm not sure, but maybe in Bilbao, maybe or the other countries, I don't know, but maybe sometimes there are some issues kind of in this site. We need to install, or we need to apply hundreds of steel or maybe a rebar, but they forget 10 or 20 because when they bring the materials on here, because they do the paperwork, they actually cannot track it, how many levers are gonna use it here, and they also use because of the paperwork. So our technology is verify and analyze those kind of based on photo image, so we can give the exact number of the materials used in here, and of course the exact basic information about the height and width and about the distances. So the director of the construction manager on the site worker, they cannot use or they cannot forget the data about these materials information. And of course, when we get this kind of images, so based on our deep learning skill, we can detect the hidden defects such as the cracks or maybe the water falls down here. So because we are keep learning and learning, so we give some data, so we can give some errors to the inspectors to more accurately detect the real issues on the site. So in our platform, the CPMS, we are going to provide the information about the process management and material management and blueprint management and reports and stuff like that. And first of all, this is our composition of our platform. And as you can see, there are some dashboard and there is some information about the schedules and reports tab, stuff like that. And this one is for the process management that the on-site worker, if they put some data on our platform, we automatically analyze and give some information about which materials are applied here, and so that the tomorrow how many workers have to come here and which materials have to apply in here. And of course that is why our construction period is not delayed, so you can secure how much money on it. So actually recently nowadays it is all think, and this kind of result is reached out from the director on the site, but we analyze via this kind of technology. So our goal is to reduce the human error and improve the quality of the building. And this is material management. So because using as I said, that there is missing materials happen on the site, and of course we do not know, we can track them if we do not archive it. So if we put in our cloud server, then we use AI based, so we give some base information of materials, so it can prevent the recourse of the construction company to use the money. And this is the blueprint management. Before start the construction, the architecture or engineering company, they draw this kind of blueprints. So we put the blueprints on our platform, and then so the director of the construction company, they can see each room, which materials and which processes and which workers they're working on it. So in each room, so we can check it in real time, and so that is why we can manage it and we can monitor it every day. And reports. If the on-site worker, they put some keywords on it, then we automatically produce the reports based on the photos and the keywords and the daily material list. So director of the construction company, they can reduce their time, so they can more concentrate on the on-site, the procedures. And now we are preparing that we merge the mobile phone image to the 3D rendering platform. So not only the digitalization, we also want to provide the digital twin to our customer. So we are doing this because for the construction company, they can reduce their budget, and of course they can improve their efficiency. But our goal is to secure the assets, of course, the company, and of course the people who wants to live this building or who wants to work in here. And these are the pilot projects now we are implementing in South Korea and the other global market. And when we heard about after our customer use our platform, they said that because of the digitalization and of course because of the technology, the efficiency of the work is very improved. And we are going to have to test through one of the Korean institutions how much our data is accurate or not, like that. And of course, there are some competitors in South Korea and the other overseas market, but the differentiation is that they only archive the data, but not only we archive the data, we can give more automated results through the AI technology. So these are the patents, and these are some partnerships we have in worldwide. So we keep preparing the global market to work in global market. So last year I also visited Barcelona, And of course, this year, that's why I come here to like seek the other opportunities. Actually, in this sector, process management, safety management, space management, these are the vision of what we are going to do. So thank you for listening. Any questions? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, young one. At the end, you will also be able to meet them and chat with them. So if you have any questions, you will feel free to reach any of them. Now I'm going to switch to Spanish because, bueno, porque aunque parezca que no, seguimos en el programa de Corea. Va a subir ahora Eric, entonces no nos hemos confundido. Eric es el CTO de Oysterable y bueno, él estuvo 12 años viviendo en Corea y fue cuando fundó la compañía, pero os va a poder hacer el pitch en castellano, ¿vale? Sí. Aquí tienes Eric. Y listo, os dejo con él.
Hola, mi nombre es Eric, soy el CTO de Oysterable y hoy quiero presentarles nuestra solución, Loop. Un poquito de historia sobre nuestra compañía. Tenemos un valor único en el mercado. Tenemos una solución de reusables, como ven en este vaso. Es un vaso que tiene un Digital Passport. Este código es único para cada vaso y la idea es eliminar los plásticos de un solo uso. Y tenemos además lo que llamamos Smart Bots para colectar estos vasos. Vamos a ver si funciona el pointer. Tenemos estos Smart Bots, tenemos una aplicación y tenemos un dashboard para colectar todas estas métricas y analizar todo el proceso. La compañía fue fundada en el 2019, actualmente estamos valuados en 7.5 millones. Nuestra solución es una plug and play ready, básicamente ponemos la máquina y está lista para usarse. Tenemos clientes como Starbucks, Tetra Pak y algunos otros gobiernos. La compañía, como comentaba, fue fundada en Corea del Sur y ahora estamos expandiéndonos en otros mercados. El problema que estamos atacando y resolviendo es, piensen ustedes en este escenario que comúnmente vemos en las calles. Queremos usar algo mejor, creemos nosotros que el futuro debe ser mucho más sostenible y hemos creado la solución Loop. Como les comentaba, consiste en todo tipo de reusables, ya sea para vasos, platos y cualquier otro utensilio de cocina. Tenemos nuestras máquinas automatizadas que rentan el vaso reusable y también lo colectan. Una aplicación para los usuarios y un panel de control donde las marcas y nuestros clientes pueden revisar todo el proceso. Nuestra solución se puede implementar a través de toda la ciudad, no solo en un sitio. Si, por ejemplo, ustedes visitan el estadio, consumen una Coca-Cola y se quieren traer el vaso fuera del estadio, bueno, lo regresan en este centro de convenciones, no hay problema, no tienen que regresar al mismo sitio. Básicamente, el usuario sencillamente lo que tiene que hacer es atender a la máquina, hacer tap con la aplicación, tomar el vaso, usarlo y cuando esté listo regresarlo a la máquina. Tiene 2 semanas para regresarlo y si lo regresa dentro de estas 2 semanas no le cobramos nada, es totalmente gratis. Si se tarda después de 2 semanas, el vaso es suyo. Así de sencillo funciona. Tenemos diferentes tipos de máquinas para cada aplicación. Hemos creado máquinas para colectar vasos, para colectar, por ejemplo, ustedes tienen los servicios de entrega a domicilio de comida. Esos tipos de máquina pueden enviar su comida en envase reusable. Cuando la persona termina de comer, simplemente pone su reusable fuera de la puerta y el mismo servicio lo puede colectar. O puede ir a nuestra máquina, regresar sus utensilios reusables y nosotros nos encargamos de todo el proceso de limpiado, desinfección y sanitización del vaso. También ofrecemos las mismas máquinas para reciclados. Por ejemplo, si alguien quiere colectar vidrio, latas o cualquier otro tipo de material, también ofrecemos eso. Nuestras clientes incluyen marcas, retailers y gobiernos. Este es un caso de estudio que corrimos con Starbucks. Para darles una idea, nosotros encontramos que el 85% de las personas regresan los vasos. Es decir, el 85% de los consumidores prefieren una alternativa sustentable a generar basura, y hemos eliminado más de 200,000 vasos de un solo uso en el transcurso de un mes por las 5 tiendas que participaron en nuestro piloto, y hemos incrementado, o mejor dicho, reducido el costo en un 57% en la compra de plásticos de un solo uso para clientes como Starbucks. En Europa hay regulaciones muy fuertes que van a tomar demasiada fuerza en los próximos años. Estamos hablando de metas concretas de muchas marcas que tienen el compromiso de colectar hasta un 90% de la basura que las marcas generan. Y estas marcas están comprometidas en un pacto donde han puesto sus metas de colectar desde un 90% de todos los envases que las marcas generan. Es aquí donde nosotros entramos y les ofrecemos esta alternativa donde pueden participar con nosotros. Aquí ustedes tienen el Atlético Club, el Club Atlético, tienen un estadio muy bonito. Estamos viendo la posibilidad y creemos que hay muchísima oportunidad para eliminar todo tipo de basura que se genera en espacios como estadios y todo esto. Tenemos también la posibilidad de participar con Elro, que se encargan de organizar eventos, festivales y todo tipo. La meta es eliminar basura. Y hay otros nichos que podemos usar nuestra solución, como Eroski o Aldi, para colectar reciclados. Este año hemos recibido el US Plastics Pact Honorific Mention, y pues tenemos proyectado para los próximos 2 años romper nuestro break-even point. Este es mi equipo, el CEO, Taekwondo y otros 27 miembros. Y actualmente estamos levantando series A con 2 millones de euros. Bueno, si gustan estar en contacto, aquí tienen mi información. Les aprecio mucho. Gracias.
Bueno, muchas gracias, Eric. Lo dicho, ellos van a estar por aquí estas 2 próximas semanas en Bilbao, esta semana y la siguiente, así que tanto ahora como si en cualquier momento tenéis interés en contactar con alguno, pues directamente con ellos o a través de BAT, de Vía Accelerator Tower, a través de los correos de contacto de nuestra web, no dudéis en poneros en contacto, ¿vale? Muchas gracias.